Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Manda Vivian Andrians, NPM 2441105H, from class MNG24C. Today I will presentation about forms of cooperation in business activities. Business cooperation refers to an agreement between two or more parties to work together in achieving common business objective. In today's highly competitive and globalized market, companies rarely operate alone. Cooperation allows firms to share research, reduce risks, access new markets, and improve efficiency. Understanding different forms of business cooperation help managers choose the most suitable strategy for growth and sustainability. Definition: a partnership is a form of business cooperation in which two or more individuals agree to jointly own, manage, and operate a business while sharing profit and loss. Characteristic: joint ownership and decision making, profit and loss sharing based on agreement. Partners usually have unlimited liability. Objective: combine capital, skills, and experience, reduce individual financial burden. Advantage: easy and inexpensive to establish. Flexible management structure, better decision making through shared expertise. Next, disadvantage: unlimited liability increases personal risk, potential conflicts among partners, business continuity depends on partners. Next, joint venture. Joint venture is a business cooperation where two or more companies form a separate agreement to undertake a specific project or business activity. Characteristic: usually limit in duration, share capital risks and control. Each party remains legally independent. Objective: enter new markets, develop new product or technologies, share high business risks. Advantage: risk and cost sharing, access to partners, expertise and technology, faster market entry. Disadvantage: possible management and cultural conflict, complex decision-making process, profit sharing reduce individual returns. Next, strategic alliance. A strategic alliance is cooperation between two or more companies without forming a new legal entity based on contractual agreement. Characteristic: each company remains independent, flexible, and non-binding ownership. Focus on strategic objective. Next, objective: strengthen competitive position, share knowledge and research, reduce operational costs. Advantage: high flexibility, lower investment and risks, suitable for short or medium-term goals. Disadvantage: limited control over partners, risk of confidential information leakage, dependence on partner commitment. Next, franchising. Franchising is a business cooperation where the franchisor grants the franchise the right to use its brand, product, and business system in exchange for fees and royalties. Characteristics: standardized operating procedures, use of a well-known brand, ongoing relationship between parties. Objective: rapid business expansion, market penetration with low capital. Advantage: faster expansion with reduced risks, strong brand recognition, proven business model. Disadvantage: franchise fees and royalty payment, limited independence for franchise, strict operational control. Next, merge and acquisition. A merge occurs when two companies combine to form a single new entity, while an acquisition happens when one company takes control of another. Characteristic: change in ownership and management structure, long-term strategic cooperation, legal and financial integration. Objective: increase market share, achieve economies of scale, strengthen competitiveness. Advantage: cost efficiency, stronger market position, improve operational capacity. Disadvantage: high financial and integration costs, cultural and organizational conflict, regulatory challenge. Next, cooperation of forms of business cooperation. Level of control has in mergers and acquisition, lowers in strategic alliance. Risk sharing, strong in joint ventures and partnership. Flexibility, strategic analysis and partnership are the most flexible. Capital recruitment, highest in merge, lowest in alliance. Case example in modern business. Small professional firms such as law office, accounting firms, and local cafes often use partnership to combine expertise and share operational responsibilities. This form is common in startups due to low setup costs. Joint venture example. International companies frequently form joint ventures when entering foreign markets such as automotive or energy projects to comply with local regulation and reduce investment risks. Strategic alliance example. Technology companies often engage in strategic alliance, such as collaboration between smartphone manufacturers and software developers, to innovate faster without full integration. Phrasing example: global brands like fast food change use phrasing to expand rapidly across regions while maintaining consistent quality and brand standards. Merger and acquisition example. Large corporations pursue mergers or acquisition to dominate markets, acquire competitors, or gain access to new technology and customer base. Next, strategic consideration in choosing cooperation firms. Companies must evaluate several factor before causing a cooperation model. Business, objective, growth, efficiency, market entry, level of control desired, risk tolerance, capital availability, legal and regulatory environment. Causing the wrong cooperation from my result in financial losses, legal issue, or operational inefficiencies. Next, impact of business cooperation on competition. Business cooperation can strengthen competitiveness by increasing innovations through shared knowledge, reducing costs via resource sharing, expanding market reach. However, excessive cooperation might reduce competition and attract regulatory scrutiny, especially in mergers and acquisition. Risks and challenges in business cooperation. Despite its benefit, business cooperation uh, involves risks such as conflicts or interests between partners. Cultural and management difference. Unequal contribution uh, and benefit distribution. Legal disputes arising from unclear agreements, effective contracts, and governance mechanisms are essential to minimize these risks. Forms of business cooperation such as partnership, joint venture, strategic alliance, phrasing, and mergers provide companies with various strategic options. Each form has unique characteristic, advantage, and challenge in the modern competitive business environment. Well planned, cooperation enable companies to grow sustainably, innovative, and remain competitive while managing risk efficiency. Effectively. From a managerial perspective, business cooperation enables firms to focus on their core competencies while leveraging the strengths of partner. For small and medium enterprise, cooperation can reduce financial and operational risks and accelerate growth from large cooperation and enhance innovation, expand market reach, and strengthen competitive positioning. Looking ahead, business cooperation is expected to become even more important due to digital transformation, globalization, and rapid technological change. Companies increasingly collaborate through digital platform, cross-border alliance, and innovation partnership to respond quickly to market demands. Strategic alliance and joint venture and particularly relevant in introductories such as technology. Renewable energy and e-commerce. However, successful cooperation requires a strong governance, clear contractual agreements, effective communication, and mutual trust among partners. Without this element, cooperation might lead to conflict, inefficiencies, and legal disputes. Therefore, business must carefully plan, manage, and evaluate cooperative relationships on an ongoing basis. Ultimately, well structured business cooperation not only benefit individual companies but also contributes to healthy market competition, economic growth, and long-term business sustainability. Thank you everyone for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.